Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech, and in this video, I'll be unboxing and doing the complete review of the Wings Phantom 800. So here's the box. These earphones are available in two colors, black and white, and we have the black color. As for pricing, on their official website, right now it's priced at $999 and on Flipkart it's priced at $1499. So at least right now it's better to buy it in the official website for a better pricing. Anyway, links for that are in the description. Now the main highlights for these earbuds would be the gaming mode, which you can find in other Phantom headsets as well. It's got full touch controls with 13mm drivers. They also have IPX5 sweat and water resistance, comes with Bluetooth 5.3, and most importantly, you can actually connect these earbuds to your phone via an application and configure it. I'll talk more about that in a minute. So without any further delays, let's get on with unboxing. Here's the box once again. On the front we got the branding and a preview of the case and some of the highlights. On the bottom, there are some more highlights. On the backside, we got the pricing information and some more specs. Now let's unbox it. First, we have sticker sheet on the inside of the lid. Next, there's the case, followed by a smaller box and some documentation. Now inside this smaller box, we get a USB Type-C charging cable and the extra ear tips. Now coming to the Phantom 800 case, after removing the cover, this is how the case looks like. Now let's have a physical overview. On the top, there's the Wings logo and the branding. It is a pretty unique design with green LED lights all around and even on the sides. On the bottom, it's plain. On the sides, it's plain again. And on the back side, there's a USB Type-C charging port. On the front, we also have another LED strip and a groove to open the lid. Now once we open the lid, this is how the insides looks like. We got the earbuds along with the left and right markings. Now here's a closer look at the earbuds. On the back, there's the logo, above that is the touch interface, and following that is the LED strip and the mics on either side. On the bottom, it's completely plain. On the other side, there are ear tips, charging pins, and the left and right marking on each earbud. Now these are some basic specifications of these earbuds. These earbuds come with a 13mm driver, have IPX5 sweat and water resistance, comes with Bluetooth 5.3. You also got ANC microphone for better audio, especially while gaming. It has USB Type-C charging port and has a 15 meter of Bluetooth range. As for the weight, the case itself weighs about 46 grams. Now finally, when it comes to the battery department, these earbuds have a playback time of about 10 hours, and including the case, you can get up to 50 hours. If it's just about talk time, you can get up to 45 hours of talk time. As for the charging time, it takes about 1.5 hours to charge the case completely if you use a normal 5W power adapter. Now as for the pairing process, it's actually pretty simple. You just need to open the lid of the case and both earbuds get connected to each other and they enter the pairing mode. Now you just need to open up your phone, search for the Phantom 800 in the Bluetooth section, just tap to pair it. Now let's see at the functionality of the touch buttons. You can tap once on the right side to increase the volume, tap once on the left side to decrease the volume. You can double tap on either of the earbuds to play or pause, triple tap on the right side to play the next track, and triple tap on the left side to play the previous song. You can tap and hold on the right side to enable the game mode. You can enable it and disable it as well in the same way. You can tap and hold on the left side to trigger a voice assistant, whether it's Google Assistant or Siri. So that's with the functionality. Now let's look at the Wings Sync app. Now this is the app that you can download on both Android and Apple, and once again you just need to open up the application, just sign up a new account and sign in, and then click on the earbud's name to start pairing with the earbud. If you have already paired it with the regular Bluetooth settings, once again it will connect pretty quickly. Now once you have selected your earbuds, you get all these options. First we have the EQ mode. We have all these different types of EQs ranging from default, popular, rock, folk, classic, and so on. We also have touch controls. Now on these earbuds we can actually customize the touch shortcuts. You want to change a single tap to play or pause, you can do it from here. Now this is another unique feature that's available only on these earbuds, and most of the other earbuds in this price segment usually don't come with a pairing app. So that's definitely a good thing. Next, we also have the option to locate the earbuds. Well, it'll give you just a map and the location of your earbuds, but it obviously works only if your earbuds are connected with your phone via Bluetooth. So overall, it's not really that effective. You can play sound on the ear tips to find it, but the sound itself is pretty low. So it's a good feature to have, but it's not gonna work, at least not right now. Now in the more section, we have some extra options like we can schedule auto shutdown timer. Next we can change the device name. We can also turn on and turn off the gaming mode right from the application. And finally, we can also change the light patterns to something like breathe, quick flash, sync, or completely turn off the lights on the earbuds, which is once again a pretty good feature. So that's all there is to know about the Wings Sync app. Now as for the review, I'll start off with the design and builds. Initial impressions, I must say the overall design and build of the earbuds is definitely pretty good. It's completely made of plastic but doesn't feel cheap anywhere. It's made of good quality plastic. The overall design looks much different than most of the earbuds in the market, especially because of those LED lights. It also has a USB Type-C charging port, which is definitely a pretty good addition. As for the earbuds, they also have a pretty nice design. Once you put it on, you won't even feel any weight to them. They feel really comfortable and fit perfectly in the ear, and you can just forget about them after some time. As for the touch controls, once again they work really well. I did try it for quite some time and I didn't have any accidental touches either. All the touch controls work as expected. Now let's talk about the audio quality. Once again, audio quality is pretty good on these earbuds. In fact, audio quality on these earbuds is much different than other earbuds in this price segment. Like in a good way. You can hear all the details even at lower volumes, and there's no distortion in audio at higher volumes. And these earbuds can go pretty high in terms of loudness. So make sure to limit the volume around 60 to 80%, and that should be sufficient for most people. If you go anywhere above 80%, it'll get really loud. Overall, I'll say audio quality is pretty good. As for call quality, I'll say it's pretty good enough. Considering the price, the mics on these earbuds are definitely pretty good. You can make calls and audio quality over the mic is pretty decent. So guys, to conclude, right now at a price of $999, that's the offered price right now, it's definitely a very good deal. Even if the price has been increased to $1,500, which is right now on Flipkart, it's still a pretty good deal considering the fact that you have the option to sync the earbuds to an application on your phone and customize each and every aspect of these earbuds. Besides that, even if you ignore the app's aspect, earbuds look cool, audio quality over the earbuds is pretty nice. You also have the game mode, which can improve the latency while you're playing games. So if you're a gamer, that gaming mode will be really helpful. So overall, for a starting price of 1000 rupees or even at 1500 rupees, these earbuds are definitely worth it. So guys, what do you think about these earbuds? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you're planning to buy them, use the link in the description. It always helps the channel. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.